I'm making a video. I should be a recorder.
What is that for? He works here. Oh wait. It should change stuff, huh? Christina, what are you doing?
Tell me what was the funnest thing about your senior year. There's so many things.
These bitches right here.
That was so corny.
Okay, Gina, what was the funniest thing about your senior year?
My funnest time was...
Can you just be real?
I'll be real. You know, my funnest time was...
First time I just started by using a proper word.
I really just don't remember because I had so many of them.
What the fuck is with the voice?
Alright, Lizzie. Lizzie, what is your funnest time?
It has to be when we have dance sessions.
In the club?
Making out. Make out sessions.
Make out sessions. Someone needs to...
Where's my finger?
He made a fake smile.
Do it again.
No, I want turn around.
Now your turn, bitch.
Oh my god.
Ratchet.
I look really ratchet.
Let me see that video of the chocolate.
Ratchet party 1.
Let me see your video.
No,